Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group, and I'm here with another Mortgage Minute, usually more than a minute. Okay. The home buying process is what I'd like to explain to you. This is a lengthy and interesting process. I hope you find it fascinating and illuminating. Here we go. The home buying process. Follow the following steps for a smooth home buying process. Meet with lender to prepare for the loan application. For example, what documents are required, funds for down payment, and closing costs. Lender will discuss loan options. Next, submit documents and loan application to lender. Get pre-qualified for a mortgage. Next, meet with Realtor for consultation. Hire a Realtor that you find reliable and can trust. Realtor shows you homes fitting your criteria. Next, make an offer on your favorite home. Your Realtor will help you negotiate. Contract is accepted, let's assume. Next, write check for earnest, quote unquote, money and give it to Realtor. Give copy of contract to your attorney for review. Always review your contract. Next, order inspection after review has concluded. Realtor meets inspector at the property to provide access. Next, review inspector report with Realtor, lender, and attorney. If repairs are needed, Realtor and attorney will negotiate for the repairs or for credit. Next, lender orders appraisal. Realtor needs appraisal. A Realtor needs appraiser at the property to provide access. You can ask them to drive. They can drive by or they can go inside. It's neither here nor there. Next, ask me about it later. Next, loan is submitted for underwriting to see if you qualify for the loan. Next would be the loan commitment. Next, the title company conducts a title search, looking for history there. Anyway, so much in here I could explain it at length, but we'll move on. Next, you shop for and buy 1 year of homeowners insurance, HOI, homeowners insurance, to commence on closing date. It starts on closing date. Makes sense, right? Next, closing documents are prepared. Next, closing day. Final walkthrough of property, perhaps, or perhaps not. Next, closing day is important though. Next, signing of documents by both you and seller. You sign loan documents. Lender wires funds and gives okay to record. Next, you receive the keys to your new home and hopefully celebrate a little. Next, escrow company distributes funds. Next, documents are recorded in county records. And finally, you receive your original recorded deed. That is, in a nutshell, the home buying process. If you have any questions about any of these steps, please always feel free to contact me. I am always eager to help you. My name is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. That was not a minute. That was over 4 minutes. But I'd like to thank you for hanging in there. You can reach me at 732-500-6883. That's 732-500-6883 or P500 mute. P500 mute. A P under 500 mattresses with a trumpet mute up on top. I can picture that. As in, we'll get your mortgage payments hopefully down to the size of a P. That's being facetious. With an A, right? P with an A. I would walk 500 miles for you, with you, gladly, figuratively. Mute, M-U-T-E, as in please mute my cat in the background. Please mute the audio to this video. Mute my incoming phone call. If what I'm saying to you is not worth your while, easy for me to say. And with that, I'd like to thank you for not muting me thus far. I'm sure many have. I don't blame them. Hopefully they've moved on to something better, perhaps like my real estate finance video lessons on YouTube. I hope you find them educational and enjoyable and enlightening. With that, I have to thank you for spending your precious time with me listening. I hope you got something out of it. And I wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Thanks again.